let's get to the day of the operation. You know, you're a nervous patient.
Yeah,
so,
yes.
you know, were there people putting you at ease, helping you through that?
The team are very good. The nurses get you settled in. You put on those awful paper pants. And the thing that goes backwards, you know, that's not exactly reassuring, is it? But no, they were fine. You have a nice room and all the rest of it, but you're sitting there apprehensive. James came in. I think Peter, the anaesthetist, was fantastic, actually. He could see I was nervous and relayed a few stories to me. And he was good. That gives you a lot of reassurance, actually, because at the end of the day, he's the last person you see, you know, ready before they have the operation.
Yeah.
And then, so then the inevitable knock on the door comes and they walk in and then they make you walk up to the operating theatre, which I found slightly daunting. I hadn't realised that. The bed sort of follows you and you stroll up. And anyway, that's where you go in. And of course, having Peter there with the chap was helping him. And then very, very quickly, he gave me a sort of injection in the back, which anaesthetised the legs and everything, and then put me out. I made very clear I wanted to be out. You can rest assured of that. And then the next thing I realised was I woke up in the room.